In this video, we'll show you how to play RLCraft with your friends. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. RLCraft is basically a hardcore survival mod pack for Minecraft. It completely changed the game. You've got things like thirst, temperature, way tougher mobs, dragons flying around, and you can literally die in the first few minutes if you don't know what you're doing. It's way harder than normal Minecraft, and that's why it's actually fun to play with friends. But because it's a mod pack, everyone needs the same setup and you need a server to play together. So here I'll show you the easiest way to do it first and then how to set it up manually if you want. First, thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you just want to play with your friends without dealing with the setup, this is the easiest way to do it. With Apex Hosting, you don't have to download server files or mess with port forwarding. You just go to their website. I'll put the link in the description and pinned comment. So once you're here, you can select the amount of RAM for your server. 6 GB is recommended, so let's go ahead and select it, click order, and it'll take you to a simple setup. So first, for the server version, you can click on that and select your mod pack or vanilla Minecraft. For this video, it's RLCraft. You can also select another mod pack if you want, for example, Better Minecraft right here. It's available for Fabric and Forge, but for this video, we're gonna stick with RLCraft. And for the server location, you can select the best server for you. For example, for me, it's going to be Singapore, and you can also do a test ping. Just click on it and look for the lowest one. So I'm going to select Singapore right here. And also for the server version, if you select RLCraft, for example, here, and you want to change the mod pack later on, you can do that on the panel. So don't worry about that. So now on the right, just check I have read and agreed to the terms of service. You can click on it to read it and then click checkout. Now just fill in your info and complete the order. So after you complete the order, you can check your email and log in to the panel. So here inside the panel, everything is set up already and you can join the server. So if you scroll down, you'll have IP address, which you can use to join the server and share it with your friends. And also, as I said, you can change the mod pack if you want. Just click on it and change it to whatever mod pack you want to play. And that's it. It's so easy with Apex Hosting. All right, now, if you don't want to use a hosting service and want to run it yourself, I'll show you how to do it. First, you want to go to curseforge.com and we're going to download CurseForge client. So just type in curseforge.com, and once you're here, you want to hover to the top right and click Get CurseForge app. You want to download the standalone version and then save the installer somewhere in your PC. Just click Save and the download should start. Now just go to your downloads folder and open up the installer. Just double click on it. It's going to be really simple. Click Next, check the terms of use and privacy policy. To read it, you can click on it, click Next, and it will start downloading and installing CurseForge client. After install CurseForge, just open it up, and once you're here, you're gonna select Minecraft, or if you don't have it right here, you can click the plus icon to add a game. You can scan your computer for games or manually add Minecraft if you want. Alright, on the Minecraft tab, under my mod packs, I already have one mod pack installed, which is Cobble First. And to download and install mod pack, in this case, RLCraft, you can click on the search bar and just type in RLCraft like that and press enter. So it's going to be this one, RLCraft. Click on it to go to its page, and here, hover to the right and click on install, and it will start downloading RLCraft and installing it on your PC. So now just wait a bit for it to finish. After the installation process is done, now you can click play and check if everything is good. So just click on it and it'll launch Minecraft with RLCraft. It's gonna load up the game and all the mods. Alright, we're inside the main menu now and everything looks good. You can even go to the mod section to check if everything is installed. Now you can close the game and also close the game dashboard, and now we can finally set up the server. So first, still on our RLCraft page, you want to hover to the right, and next to the play button, you'll see this icon here, download server pack. You want to click that and it'll prompt a download for the server pack. Now you can save it anywhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and it'll start downloading. And after it finishes downloading, you can go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have your RLCraft server pack in a zip file. So let's bring this into my desktop right here. Now we have to extract it. You can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can right click and then click on extract all. Click on that and hit extract. Wait a bit for it to finish. Alright, now it's done. You have your server pack folder. You can open it up. Alright, usually the server pack includes the start server.bat, but for RLCraft, it doesn't have that, so we need to download and install it ourselves. You can go to minecraftforce.net, and once you're here, you want to download the same version of your mod pack. So let's see. Let's go back to CurseForge, and the game version is 1.12.2, and download that version. So this one, 1.12.2 and download the installer. So let's click on that. It will bring you to an ad page. You can wait a bit and click skip on the top right. It'll start downloading, just hit save, and it will download the installer in a jar file. And now you can open it up with Java. If you don't have Java installed on your PC, you can go to java.com, and once you're here, just click on download Java for desktop, and then download and install the latest version of Java on your PC. And then because we want to run a Minecraft server, you also need to download JDK, Java Development Kit. You can click developer downloads right here, and it'll bring you here. You want to select JDK 21 and then select your system. For me, it's Windows. And then you're going to download the x64 installer. Just click on this link right here and install it on your PC. After you install Java, you can right click on Forge Installer, open with, click choose another app, select Java from the list, and hit always. Now every time you open a jar file, it'll open up with Java. So we have Forge Installer here. You want to select install server, and then you want to click the three dots to select the target directory, and you want to select RLCraft server files. Hit open, hit OK, and it will start installing the server files. After that's done, go back to your server pack folder, and now you'll have Minecraft server.jar. This is the start server.bat I'm talking about. So let's open it up, double click on it, and it will run for a second and then closes. Don't worry though, that's okay. That's because we haven't accepted the EULA. So now you have EULA.txt. You can right click on it, and then you're going to select edit and notepad. Now here, to accept the EULA, you can change false to true like that, and that's done. Now just click on edit and hit save. Close the notepad and run Minecraft server.jar again. Double click it again, and there we go. Now the server is running. As you can see, it's loading now. So just wait a bit until you see this message here, done, and you can join the server. So let's go back to CurseForge and open up Minecraft with RLCraft. Alright, we're in the main menu. Now let's join the server. Click on multiplayer and then click add server on the bottom. And here you can change your Minecraft server name. So for example, RLCraft server. And for the server address, because you're joining your server locally, you can just type in local host like that. And now hit done. Now the server is added, and now you can select it and hit join server. And there we go. If you do everything correctly, you'll spawn into your server world. Alright, at this point, your server is running and you can join locally. But for your friends to join over the internet, you'll need to do something called port forwarding. We have a full video on that. So if you want to do that, you can check it out if you want to follow along. But I have to say it's a bit messy, and also you have to share your public IP, which is not safe. So if you want to skip all of that, you can just use the sponsor of this video, which is Apex Hosting. As I showed you at the start of the video, it's really simple and you can play RLCraft with your friends in minutes. So if you're interested, you can just click the link in the description. For now, that's it for me. So if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.